Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a folder and a subfolder in our computer. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, creating a folder. You could create a folder wherever you want from here. For example, your desktop, just right-click, hover over New. Now select Folder. Here we have the new folder. Give it a name. For example, Photos. Hit on Enter. You now have the folder. Another option, let's say you have, or you are under your this PC, one of your drives right here, let's say Games, double click, right click, click on New again, click on Folder, and here we have the new folder. Now, if we want to create a subfolder, let's say we have our parent folder right here, double click on it to open it up, and here's a blank folder. You can go ahead and right click on a blank space, now click on New, and again, click a folder. So here we have the sub, for example, or subfolder. Hit on Enter to finalize it. All right, our parent folder, double click. Here we have the subfolder. You could add in as many folders. You can make it as deep as you want, okay? Go deeper and deeper, whatever you want. And that's how you create a folder and subfolder and computer. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.